What's up, guys, and welcome to my backyard. You probably are wondering why we're here and not at the theme park. We're gonna get to that in just a second. Today is going to be kind of a special, amazing type of day. We have some friends coming down from up north. They have never been to Hollywood Studios, never been on Rise of Resistance, never been anywhere near Galaxy's Edge, nothing like that. So we are actually going to try to get a boarding group, which is why I am here in my backyard. For some reason, this is where I get the best signal. If you guys have seen my tips and tricks videos, you will know that that is one of the most important parts of getting a boarding group, is having very good signal. So that is why I'm here at this spot, because this is where I get the best signal. So we're going to try to get a boarding group. We're going to try to get a reservation, same day reservation for Olga's. We're going to try to unlock chewie mode. On Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run, which is like a hack to the ride. So by pressing certain buttons at certain times, you can basically get Chewie to come along the ride with you, which is really cool. So we are going to try to do that. It's something that a lot of people don't know about, but it is really cool. Super exciting if we can get that to happen. We are going to have a crew of 6 today because our friends are coming down. So that is going to make getting Chewie mode a little easier. We'll get into that later. So first things first, we have to get a boarding group, and that's why I have you guys out here prior to 7 o'clock in my backyard. We're going to try to do it, hopefully get a good boarding group. If you guys need help getting a boarding group, I will leave a link to our other video, like right here somewhere, that explains how to get a boarding group, all the processes and all that stuff. We've been pretty successful. Honestly, we have never missed a boarding group. Been on this ride about 22 times now. Oh man. All right, so it's 7:01, so that means all the boarding groups for 7 a.m. are gone, and we did get a boarding group. So we got group 30. Oh, Titan's super excited for today. Huh? You ready? You want to go on Rise of Resistance? I know. Unfortunately, Nikki beat me. She's actually inside on the same account, just using Wi-Fi. And then I was out here on 5G, and she must have just been a little faster than me.
Look at that. It's what do you think, dude? 10.
This is a 10 too?
Yeah.
So many rides are 10s.
This is insane.
It's crazy, right?
There's like a little tiny.
It's nuts. It's like being in a movie without being in a movie.
Screen this way. Left. My next screen to the middle.
Yeah, hold on to a handrail.
So there's some motions in the
I don't think so.
Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5,
amazing.
keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Enemies of the First Order, get out immediately and head to the right for your interrogation and turn that light off from your device. You don't need it. Move along.
Like, how? Does this thing just like move on rails?
What do you think, ma'am?
It's amazing. I was very confused when I got off.
It's nuts, right?
I was like, this is a really weird ride. And then if we go into this.
It's like it never ends. It just keeps going.
Yeah.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You
have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I
resistance are here to rescue you. Right this way. Blue, red, silver, and orange. Blue.
Please stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
You're not authorized. Wait.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer is about to...
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the sewer base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
So how was that?
Insane.
It's crazy,
I
right?
was scared of the elevator parts.
Yeah. It's kind of like it's like a hidden gem nobody really knows about. The drop.
Yeah.
It's not too bad though. Small drop.
I don't think she saw the small details, like Kylo Ren.
Kylo Ren coming through the ceiling with the sword. That's insane, right?
Wait, what? I didn't see that.
You didn't see the sword coming through the
You
ceiling?
couldn't see the holes until they actually shot it, which is
I know.
amazing.
Yeah, I did not see
Because, you know, light directs your eyes.
They don't know what to talk about first.
I know.
I felt
Yeah, when we were in the elevator, so in the elevators, Kylo Ren stabs his sword through the elevator, and it's like in there, like he's cutting through it. It's wild.
I got genuinely nervous when when they captured us.
Yep.
I got genuinely nervous.
When they opened the door and they were like,
her the entire time.
Yeah.
And then someone said, "Oh, your nails. I like your nails," and she just deadpanned.
oh yeah, they stay in character the whole time. The characters on Rise of the Resistance are absolutely phenomenal. Like probably one of the best experiences, ride experiences in the park.
I don't know what's better, Haggard or this.
I don't know, man. This is top of my list. Out of the whole ride, what's your guys' favorite part on the whole ride?
I feel like just the middle about moving around. Either that or the end, but I prefer the middle where you're just like swinging around everywhere in the.
Yeah.
In the
I feel like the part with Kylo Ren where he's chasing after us and they figure out that we've escaped. That's my favorite part.
I think for me, going into the room where the AT-ATs are is like amazing. Like just like
That's just
to know the size of that thing and just see him sitting in there, I was like,
it really makes you feel how small you are.
It was just a dream being able to go on like in a destroyer and being on the X-wing at first or whatever it's called. There's so many different planes.
yeah. It's so amazing, like it feels real.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like you literally feel like you're there. Like it
Unless you're looking for it, you cannot tell what is real,
I know.
what's an animatronic, and what's a screen.
It like totally takes you what I consider off planet. Like you were there, you were on a Starship Destroyer, like immersed in that experience.
I love
between Kylo Ren and the getting captured part, those are my two favorite.
Yeah, getting captured is kind of nuts. And then like the first time that you see a cast member like talk to people like that, you're like, whoa, because they're like in character, you know?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it's
That
crazy.
was
Like
insane.
it was like, do this now or else. I'm like, oh my god, lady,
Yeah,
chill.
they're
I got
serious.
scared for my own
I'm
safety.
just
I'm like, did I get
chill.
teleported into Star Wars?
I'm like, chill.
yeah, it is really, really serious. Like,
Yeah, like-
it's hard to explain how great that ride is. Like it's hard to tell somebody how amazing that's going to be without them actually experiencing it. So
That was insane though.
yeah, that was really, really good. I love that.
Same.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Nikki was able to get us into Olga's, and we're going to take you guys, show you some of the drinks, and show you this awesome view. It's such a good time in Olga's. This place is amazing. If you get a chance to get a reservation here, we highly recommend this.
There's still pretty much everything available that you're used to. Right through it.
We always say here at Donaka Transport Solutions.
Then I'll be a pilot, I guess.
And go make Hondo some money.
Well, next time you're 7. 7, right? Whatever he doing.
Oh man,
All right, guys. Once you sit down, buckle up. Any cargo by your feet, okay?
cargo.
For your safety,
There it is.
and supervise.
Activated Chewbacca mode, bro.
What?
How sick is that?
It was freaking awesome. It was
Yeah.
really awesome. The cast member was awesome, and it was really cool.
Yeah. Sick.
That was a first.
First. So we just got off Smuggler's Run, and we have officially activated Chewie mode. Yeah, for the first time. We've never done it. We had a cast member help us out. It was super awesome. And if you guys haven't tried it or haven't done it, we're gonna show you in the video like what it looks like, but it was super, super awesome. I'll go over all the steps on how to do it. You really need a team of people to do this, so be prepared. But we did do it with a 7-year-old, so it is possible. Super awesome, super good time here at Hollywood Studios.